Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right now. Unlock the Samsung device and open Settings so you can change interface options immediately. Once in Settings, use the search bar and type Taskbar or tap Display to locate taskbar controls faster. Make sure you have a stable state. Close apps if needed, because changing navigation features can reposition windows. You're doing this to clear screen space and reduce accidental taps, so proceed directly to the display controls rather than digging through unrelated menus. Once you've opened the taskbar section, locate the Show Taskbar toggle and turn it off. This is the direct action that hides the bar and frees screen real estate. If your model lists navigation bar settings instead, disable persistent taskbar or auto-hide options there. Do this because different One UI versions label them differently. Make sure to confirm any prompts and observe whether icons disappear immediately. If icons persist, check for companion options like edge panels or DX mode that can recreate a taskbar. After toggling off, verify the taskbar is gone and test common apps to be sure layout is stable. If the bar still appears, restart the device to force the UI to refresh. This often resolves caching issues. Make sure DX or edge panel features aren't re-enabling a persistent bar and disable those if present. Key troubleshooting tip: if the taskbar keeps returning, update One UI or reset display settings before doing a factory reset. Updates frequently fix UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.